Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video what to do if your Poco smartphone stuck into fast boot mode. No? The screen doesn't react anymore, even the buttons doesn't work and so on. So what to do to get out of this fast boot mode? For that it's time to long press the power button, and that for at least 10 seconds. So just long pressing here the power button, not for 2 or 3 seconds as usual. No, you have to continue long pressing the power button until the phone turns off and turns on then automatically, and then the problem has solved. And you will reboot your phone right now with that process as you want to have it. Yeah, but how you got into that fast boot problem. So if you want to go to fast boot, just long press the power button next to the volume down button. So if you long press these buttons simultaneously, if you want to turn off the phone, then you're in fast boot mode. So please take care that you just long press here the power button next time. Yeah, so you see, pretty easy. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.